So yesterday when we went to lunch with Judith and Connie, I didn't film them, but Judith brought me something. And in a video not too long ago, I was looking at an old cookbook. Well, I don't know if it was in that video, but the blue denim cookbook, and I said, oh man, I wish I had some old cookbooks back in the 50s or 60s. And Judith yesterday gave me all of these little booklets. The cutest little thing. This one, let's just look at them. This is the cookie book. So this is all about 250 cookies and small cake recipes. Culinary Art Institute. I'm just going to have a blast just looking through these. Like how old. The lighting is horrible today because it's so cloudy. Somebody made a note. 1 cup of butter equals 2 sticks. But look at the pictures. Y'all gonna see some of these recipes on my channel. Look at that. Let's see if it has a date. Copyright 1941. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. How fun. This is going to be a blast. Just looking through the recipes, and we were kind of talking about it yesterday, is like, what if we don't know what that is? Maybe they don't even make that ingredient anymore. Yeah, so I'm going to bring up some of those. If I find them, I'll be like, what is that? But here's another one, Baker's Best Chocolate Recipes. Isn't that cool? Walter Baker and Company. Best chocolate recipes. Oh, look at that. The pictures are just amazing. Let's see if this has a date. Copyright 1932. Right up there. I love the smell of old books. The methods of adding chocolate. I bet I could learn a lot from these old books. So Baker's chocolate must have been a brand of chocolate back in the day. Like Hershey's. Baker's. Never heard of it. How fun! Judith, this is just going to be so much fun looking through these. From the tropics to your table. 83 tested banana recipes. How cool is that? Fruit Dispatch Company, New York, New York. Wow. Copyright 1926. These are precious. These are just amazing. I was wanting them cookbooks back in the 50s. These are back in the 20s. Look at that. I'll probably do more more videos on this. On these. More detailed or something, because it's just amazing. That picture. This is a gold mine in recipe books. So this must have been a brand of spaghetti. I'm getting where I'm thinking that the companies used to put these little recipe books out for their products. Like now we got the website for Campbell's, and you can get all kinds of Campbell's recipes. Tested and proven recipes: Muller's spaghetti, egg noodles, macaroni, elbow, and cooked spaghetti. That's cool. Let's see if this one has a date. To the homemakers of America. It's a letter from the company. This one doesn't have a date. No date in here. Meats and fish. And this is just artwork. Vegetables. So cool. Yeah, this one in the 20s. Oh, that was that other one. Then there's this one. This one's like somebody had it open, it looks like. Oh, the cover's missing on this one. This one's desserts. Maybe it was supposed to be like that. Dessert. Oh, there's breads. It's in order. Cookies, frosting cakes. Ooh. Cakes your family will rave about. So much fun. Tarts, 1 crust pies, 2 crust pies. Deep frying, look at those donuts. How cool. Coconut dishes that everyone loves. I'm not a fan of coconut. I like coconut shrimp. I like coconut snow cones. But coconut in a pie or a cake, not so much. So you probably won't see me cook any of these. Coconut dishes that everyone loves. Let's see if that has a date. 1931, down here at the bottom. Talks about the coconut. Maple coconut frosting. Desserts you can make in a twinkling. Look at there. There's ambrosia. I have had ambrosia. Oranges peeled. That's not all that's in ambrosia. Back in the day, it was just 3 oranges, peeled, sliced, 1 can of Baker's coconut southern style, and a half a cup of powdered sugar. That isn't the ambrosia I know. Is there any pictures to show? Yeah, I'll show pictures in here. And the last one, Caro syrup. I actually have cooked with Caro syrup. This is, for 50 years, Caro syrup has been America's favorite syrup. It doesn't say a date. It's just the forward to the dumpling, apple dumplings, fruit cake. You want a recipe to make fruit cake? Rich cinnamon buns. Oh, look at this. You never know what you find in an old cookbook. Sauces and fillings and candies. Love fondant. Wow, they had fondant back then. Fondant. Entrees. And that is it. Is that not the best gift for someone that loves to cook? I just love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Judith. All I said, these are going to bring me hours and hours and hours of enjoyment just flipping through them and reading the recipes and looking for stuff that I have no idea what it is, that they probably don't even make anymore. But thank you again. I love it. And now I'm going to go sit down and look at them.